Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajala Meghalaya Shen Kansalat no naka Jingshahteh Shakum, Hakawe ka Soskular Kabalaya Soy Hakisnem Bamenchwa, Hapadeng ka Sorkar Jala Bat ka National Thermal Power Corporation. Katkum kani ka Soskular ka Sorkar Meghalaya kaha bansiw ben ya kapisa siya ka Ntpc, wadlada ka Meghalaya kamshim boarding na ka Ntpc, kabalabo Jing Shisha ya ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Banshu siyo ya kapisa daki paukulor bat spaklor tengka. Habayathu ya kani hakalai pawai tarik ulbear arhajar arpawar. Umentri rangba u konrad ke sangma. Ulaong bahadian baka jela kalaya saat bat yakunru daka muka duma. Ka Meghalaya kanam ngatsu hakani ka Soskular. Kabalaya soy nadu usnem arhajar khatway daka sorkar kabarim. Ulaong bakani ka Soskular bat ka Ntpc kabo Jing Shisha. Namar baka Meghalaya kahaban siubet ya kapisa wala da omshim ya ka boarding na ka Ntpc. Kumta ulaong baonda lala banweng no ya ka Meghalaya na ka ni ka Soskular. Ka boarding ka badai ka baha jong ka Meghalaya kan let no siya ka jala Tamil Nadu kumba 3,000 megawatt na ka 4,000 megawatt. Namar baka Ntpc menta kadang penbet kumno ban baha boarding siya kiway pat ki jala.
This agreement, as you're aware, in 2011, this agreement was signed where Meghalaya government had to take power from Ntpc, and if it did not take power, even then it had to pay for the set amount that was allotted to Meghalaya. We are very fortunate that after a lot of hard work and even some court cases, now Ntpc has agreed and they are working towards reallocating the power to different states. So approximately 56 megawatts has been allotted to Tamil Nadu of the share of 86 that was total for Meghalaya, which means almost about 70% now Meghalaya government doesn't have to pay for it anymore. So now we are hopeful that very soon the rest of the 25-30 megawatts that's left, even that will be given to other states, and with that we will be completely free of this agreement that was signed many years back, because of which more than 300 to 400 crores Meghalaya government had to pay for not having used even a single unit of power. But that has now changed, and we are going to see that the power will be used by Tamil Nadu, and this agreement I think is already signed or will be signed in a few days, and hopefully the rest of the power also will be reallocated.
Is it only Meghalaya or other states also?
I'm not aware about the other states, but I'm sure that the process must be on for other states also. But I can only speak right now on behalf of